Hey, do you like multiplication?
Maybe.
Uh,
Is that okay?
yeah, it's cool. I like math.
Cool.
Hey, Savannah Integrated Math 3 students. Dwayne Wade says, set your sight high. The higher the better. Expect the most wonderful things to happen, not in the future, but right now. This is our grid view and our game plan. Week 24, February 9th, Tuesday to February 12th, 2021. We're finishing up a module or a chapter I call 2.1. Our learning goal is students will be able to relate factors and zeros to a graph on their packets. We've been using factoring, taking a big polynomial, and bringing it down. Let's go ahead and look at our week at a glance number, room 902 news, and then week at a glance number 24. Remember, Schoology is the official way to turn in and get your work. You are not submitting those through email. Aries, it is your official grade. Remember, if you have late work, how do you know it's late in class? For example, I have non-graded assignment 23.4, this here in yellow. Okay, so it's not considered late. So if you just turn it in right now, you'll get full credit. But once I grade it, once it turns essentially a color red, it's in Aries, then it's considered late. And the only way I know to actually grade it is if you go to late work. How do you get to late work? You can follow these steps there into your Schoology. Khan Academy is coming up really quickly. 2 more weeks. So keep at it. Don't do a binge watch of Khan Academy. Remember participation. If you are non-responsive or you're in the video conference for less than 30 minutes, you lose a half-point participation. Updated your January participation grade in Aries. And if you want a detailed report, email me on that one. School tutoring, there's a couple of options. You can go through Schoology, or this is a link off the school website. And for office hours for me, every Tuesdays and Wednesdays, or anytime really, if you just fill out this link, it lets me know. I email you and we set up a date. And also Miss Ophelia, who does Spanish and math. You can connect with her Tuesdays through Fridays, 12:30 to 2. Week number 24, essential question is, how do you relate factors and zeros to a graph? Today we're watching the Week at a Glance 24. We took a quiz last Thursday, I believe. And Wednesday is the last day you can take it. And another future assignment we're going to do is called Last Year's Test, LYT, and Corrections. So if you've already finished the quiz, this is what we're going to be working on in class. And then on Thursday morning, I will be inputting your Edulastic quiz number 9 scores out there. And I'll be putting it into Aries, and then we'll doing corrections. This is kind of new for us. Kind of like the things you did last week. Let's make sure we know how to do it correctly so we don't make the mistake on, look, peek at next week. 25, we have no school on Monday, and we're going to take the Chapter 2.1 test on Tuesday. Okay, so that's what we're kind of aiming for. This is your first test of the semester, so we want to prepare for that. So how are we preparing for that? Remember, I have not finished grading this as of the recording. This is Monday at 2:40 p.m. The next assignment is assignment 25.4. You're going to complete last year's test. That's 300 points. You're going to do corrections on last year's test. If you click on here, right at the very top, there is a YouTube video of me going over this whole test step by step. And then quiz number 9 corrections we're going to do in class. But basically, you're going to get your work for quiz number 9, what you did, the handwritten work on a piece of paper, or go to your Edulastic, and then just make a little, fold the paper and, basically correct yourself. And then if you made a mistake, you're going to write a sentence, what you did wrong, and do all the math over again. So this is what I was talking about, the corrections for quiz number 9. If it is correct, and on the right-hand side, you write the word correct. If it's wrong, you write the word wrong. And if it's a multiple choice, write the correct answer. And also write a complete sentence of your mistake or your misunderstanding. For the questions on the back side, the free response questions, some questions are multiple choice, but those that are free response ask you to actually do some math. Also, if you get it wrong, write the word wrong, and write a complete sentence of your mistake and misunderstanding. And the different is redo the whole math problem. This is super helpful for you to make sure you do it correctly. So that's quiz number 9. That'll be released on Thursday. So we'll do that together in class. And then again, will be due on Tuesday because next Tuesday you guys are taking your first test of the semester. Let's say you need extra practice. Last year I created 2 versions of the test. So this one, last year's test, this is one version of the test, and here's an extra one. This is extra practice. Why? Because practice makes perfect. Oh, there's an E in there. We want to correct ourselves. So you can take it and then click on that little blue link and you can watch the solutions. Remember, this is not graded. This is just extra practice if you need it. Okay? That's week number 24 at a glance. We'll see you guys. Bye.
Hey, do you like multiplication?
Maybe.
Is
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's cool. I like math.
Cool.